Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel Lotus Geek. In today's video, we are going to fix your wireless adapter issue, problem with wireless adapter or access point whenever you're trying to troubleshoot it. So let's go ahead and fix. Click on the start menu and type CMD. Run CMD as an administrator. Now here you need to type a command netsh space wlan space delete space profile space name is equal to, give the name of your Wi-Fi, whatever the name of your Wi-Fi you have. For example, my Wi-Fi name is Lotus Geek. Now hit the enter key. Here I got the error, the profile is not found because no such profile exists. But at your end, you will get a message of deleting the profile. Once you delete it, restart your system and again try to connect. Now it is again giving you error. Second method is to again run few commands inside the command prompt only. So again open command prompt and type few commands one by one. netsh space pinshock space reset, hit the enter key. Now second one is netsh space int ip reset, hit the enter key again. Now third command is ipconfig space / release, again hit the enter key. And lastly is ipconfig space / renew. The only command which is left is ipconfig space / flush DNS. You may have checked that after completing the commands, the Windows is asking us to restart the system. So once you processed all these commands, don't forget to restart your system. Now go ahead and check if the problem is resolved or not. Now if it is still there, we are going to proceed to the third step. Click on the start menu and type run. Open the run application and type here ncpa.cpl. Then hit the enter key. Here find your Wi-Fi adapter. For example, my Wi-Fi adapter is over here, Lotus Geek _ 5G. So you need to right click on it and click on the properties button. Click on configure. From here, choose the driver tab, click over here, uninstall device. By clicking on this device, the Wi-Fi driver will be completely uninstalled from your system. Once the drivers are uninstalled, go ahead and restart your system. Once you restart, your system will automatically install the drivers in your system. After that, go ahead and check your Wi-Fi if it is working or not. Now if it is still there, the next method is to again reach this screen and this time choose the option update driver. Choose the second option, browse my computer for drivers. And from here again choose second option, which is let me pick from the list of available drivers. From here you can see at my end 3 types of driver are present. I would suggest or I would recommend to choose your brand driver. For example, my brand is of Intel, so I'll choose the Intel driver and then click on the next button to continue. Once it has finished, close it and go ahead and restart your system. This time your problem will be fixed out. However, if it is still there, the last method is to again open your run command and type here services.msc, then hit the enter button. Here you need to find a service, IT helper. Here it is. Double click to open it, and here if the service status is running, you need to stop it. Sometimes stopping the service simply fix out your issue. Startup issue, make it disabled. Hit apply and OK button. So these are the 5 best possible ways to fix out your issue. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Keep watching videos from my channel, friends. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching.